My name is Natasha Ndoa from Chapungu, Queens. I'm the captain. Mangwana toda kugadzirira win. As the captain, sharamba ndichisupporta team yangu. Because ndiri leader, ndoda toonekwawo nemamwe mateams kunzoko. Tifana kuleader team yangu zvakasimba.
Waruma hanzi inoruma. Kutya yakurumwa neMambas.
Tiche kurumwa because isusu tori waru. Yeah.
Waru zvichireva kuti
waru ndio moto yedu.
All right. And my preparations ku ground kwenyu zvakamira sei? Zvakatarisa necup final kuziva kuti mamuchitamba svondo rese kune kuneta kunowanikwa muvatambi vese. Iyezve muri kuprepare sei tichitarisa kuti svondo rese mapedza muchitamba? Vasikana havana kuneta here?
Vasikana vari fit, havana kuneta. Ende futi togara tiri fit, takatoreserva energy for final iyoyo. Tichiti ndiyo tiri kutamba.
Masupporters enyu muri kuvaudzawo kuti chii?
Takawinisa kuti tikuuya netrophy masupporters edu.
Kune vari kuuya here kuzokusupportai maronga here mabhazi kubva kuAir Force uko nevamwe vese vanokusupportai nyika yese zvakamira sei?
Vari kutozviziva, mabhazi agara atoripo kudhara nemasupporters edu ari kutouya mangwana.
Thank you so much.
Ini mtamba Mambas. Tesa mtamba kwa sei. Apa kumakaza mtamba ni RCT inongera team pamusoro. Apa mtamba ni Mambas inongera team ndiri padza sikuchana. Saka mimi mutesa mtamba kwa sei against Mambas.
Tongotarisira sematambiro atakaita kumashure. Kwese hapana timu yekujerera. Saka as a final totofanira kutoshinga. Thank
you, Captain Mambas. Hanzi muri nyoka isina poison. Ichokwadi here.
My name is Belinda Swanda. I'm the captain from Black Mambas. It's how people view us, but it gives us motivation. It makes us work harder to actually prove to ourselves that we can be better. We are actually that snake with venom, not the venomless one.
So what's your work out there to the Chapungu captain and team?
No, we will just come in the field of play and play 11 against 11. We're going to fight tooth and nail for that trophy because we came here for the big win. Yes.
And your word out there to the fans?
We'd like them to come and support us in their numbers. They should come and witness the beautiful game being played by the ladies. Because it's been an awesome week throughout the week with beautiful football being played by these ladies here. And I'm so proud and happy that we got the sponsorship from Heart. It means a lot. So we'd like to urge people to come and watch us play. It will give us more motivation. And I think we'll go far as players and as a country as a whole. Because most of the players that play for the national team, I think they are all here. They are all here. Yeah.
In terms of preparation, how far? What has been done so far towards the preparation for the final match? We know you have been playing throughout the whole week, and obviously it comes with some tiredness in your legs. And playing in a turf which not many players have been used to. Their first time for a week playing in the same turf. What have you done up to now in preparation for the final?
Yeah, we came prepared. We worked hard knowing that we had a tournament. So we had serious training, we had a strenuous training. We worked really hard to enjoy the whole tournament, to be there in the final. Because we told ourselves that we're going to work hard to get to the final. So everyone is fit, everyone is well rested since today was a rest day. So tomorrow we'll have the energy to run again.
Maybe is it an advantage to you that you're going to this final as underdogs? Maybe people are not expecting much from you. Are you taking it as an advantage?
There's no advantage actually. We just take it as any other game that we have approached. We have to fight, work hard as a team, and actually fight to win the trophy.
To the Chapungu captain, what's your word or mashoko enyu kuna sponsor tournament, Prophet Walter Magaya and the Heart Group?
Ndoda kuvatenda zvisingaite because kumashure kwese kwanga kusina izvi zvataitirwa naProphet, saka ndoda kukumbirawo kuti varambe vane mwoyo wakadaro pese patichatamba nepase patichapedza mangwana tambo wakadaro. Dai zviri izvo next year vadzoka futi nazvo, saka ndingoramba ndichiti kukumbirawo kuna Prophet Magaya and the Heart Group kuti makaita basa nezvamakaita. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Chapungu, Captain, Natasha, and Black Mambas Captain Belinda. All the best tomorrow.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for the best.
Bye-bye.